Welcome back to my channel, everybody.
What do you have there?
I have JoJo's headphones and includes in a bowl.
Yeah, let me see. Alright, turn it so I can just give it a... Whoa. BU, it says. BU. And then he has a bowl. Beautiful fashion headphones. Let me just... Built-in microphone. Wow, with built-in microphone. Casca mode avec microphone incorporé. That's French. Alright. So now you customize it with your own bows too. Okay.
We're doing unboxing JoJo's headphones.
Alright, open it up.
Okay. Open it.
Let me see if you can actually see yourself here.
JoJo's headphones.
Show them, show them.
Get closer.
Show, okay. So now let's put them on.
I can't.
Okay, this is the bowl. Yes, this comes off. When you say you can't. Yeah, the bowl.
I'm gonna have it on.
Yes. Whoa, the bow is big. Look at that bow. Look at this. Look at this bow. Let's put it on. Wow.
I'm JoJo.
So pretty. You get to wear that to school. Let's do this one now.
Everybody has JoJo Siwas.
I wish the packaging wasn't this dangerous, you know? Because kids really would, like this is very sharp. If you can get paper cut, plastic cut, and it's not that safe. It's not nice. But
What is this for? What is this for?
nothing, it was just a cushion. So the material looks good. Looks very good. Alright, put them on.
I can't the bow.
Put them on.
I can't bow.
Yes, you can. You can still do it. Just push it. Whoa, you look so pretty. Wow. You like that?
And there's another toy that I got from Siwa.
Yeah, go to your channel, listen to something, and see if it works. Okay? Here. Here. All right. Can you hear it? Is it loud?
The audio's good.
So do you recommend it to the kids?
Yeah, I recommend this headphones.
You like them?
Yeah.
Alright. There's the cushion. The material. They're good. They're good quality. Not bad. Alright, that is so close. Do you see how close you're watching? Very close.
Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe.